I can actually hear that in. Okay. All right, so here are the rules to this game. Neville has the headphones, playing loud music. He's going to try to make out what I'm saying. I'm going to mouth to him while he's listening to the music. So we have 20 seconds to do so. And of course, at the end, the person with the most correct answers will win. So we're taking turns from this stack. All right. So, but he can read my lip. Number one. But he can also see it if you bring it up there. Man shoulder fair fling.
What?
Man shoulder fair fling.
What?
I said, man shoulder fair fling.
I said make sure. When I hear not wrong. You said make sure?
Said, man shoulder fair fling.
All I see is make sure.
Told you.
You never say make sure?
65.
By the way, I'm listening.
His hearing is good. Eh?
Me just see it.
Told
just
you.
see.
See the
Let me
monitor
see.
is there. Of course he's going
Well,
to
me
see.
I never get that one. All right,
You
run the
never
next
saw
one.
me say man shoulder fair fling?
What?
All right. Is it your turn or my turn?
Your turn?
I don't. Is it deaf? True. The earnings are just for the plus.
Kung Fu Panda.
Sorry?
Kung Fu Panda.
A breadfruit platter. Try. Come again, come again.
Kung Fu Panda.
My father too. Kung Fu Panda.
That's what I said. Give me back.
Wait a minute. You know what? I thought this would have been easier because you would have thought you could see the articulation of the lips. All right. Hello, Proto. Number 3. No bother me, don't bother me, officer.
What?
No bother me, don't bother me, officer.
Nobody make. You said nobody make something. You never said that?
No bother me, don't bother me, officer.
Me say nobody make. All right, let's tell me if I right there, sir. Go on again.
No bother me, don't bother me, officer.
I have no idea. What you say?
No bother me, don't bother me, officer. No?
What you say?
No bother me, don't bother me, officer.
Let me just say don't matter make, 'cause you could have said
never
well clothes or something, man. So.
Nice and
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
Oh, you know that?
Because you just said it.
You turn down the thing.
No, I'm just
Listen,
telling
oh, yeah,
you,
listen, oh, because you're hearing me now.
because I saw you, I'm reading your
No,
lips.
but a while ago, me just say you turn down the thing, and you said, no.
No.
You are such a crook. She's a crook. Give me back the thing, man. You're a crook. Come, you're a crook.
Really?
Your time.
Okay. So you have to
You
read
could
up
hear
the
a
show.
while ago.
I
No.
could not hear. 2 minutes.
Hold on, right. Wait, don't.
Toast.
We must get one. Wait. No, man. I can't hear.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
What? Go on. Go on again.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Bad boys. You said that? No. All right, you said that. I just said no. So, go on again.
Bad boys.
Bad boys.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Bad boys, big boys, go to school tomorrow morning. How's that?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Oh, good.
Foolish.
Oh,
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? All right. Proto.
I don't get one and you get. All right, this one now, I tell you in a foreign language. Number? Number 7. Are you ready? Have my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Pardon?
Number 7. Have my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
I have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Is that right? Is that right?
No. You
I'm
either
reading your lips.
You're either not putting it over your big ears or something. And you have
Never
a
been.
hole.
Did you just call my ears big?
Yeah.
Did you really?
I forget one.
Okay.
Go, wait, I forget
Last one.
This one I'm going to show you how good. I'm not even going to look at her and say what she tell you.
Number 8. Clean clams, crabbed in clean clams.
You have to look at me when you talk. You are holding down
clean.
your head. Come again.
Clean clams, crammed in clean cans.
What?
Clean clams, crammed in clean cans.
No, you're deliberately doing your mouth
I'm
in a
trying
way
to
that you
articulate.
don't normally do your mouth.
Clean clams, crammed in clean cans. I can't articulate any more than that. Clean
more than that, you
clams,
say something
crammed
more.
in clean cans.
Your teeth weren't clean. What that you say? I know that you say. Clean clams crammed in clean cans. 10 minutes, it's close, guys. It was close. I say your teeth
Weren't
clean.
in there.
Me get clean though.
And I don't know if you're trying to send me a message, but I recently did a cleaning, so there. Rude like. Soon come back.
Yeah.